We're at Ucluelet. Ucluelet. Figure that out. Oh, yeah. Should we lock the van before we leave? I think I actually, when I went for my walk this morning on the beach, I think I left my van unlocked. It's locked now. We're leaving it run. It only idles for a half an hour, and then it'll shut off on its own. But we need the battery power. Let's go check out this aquarium. See what they got going on.
If you want to know, we do have some touch tanks here. We have them all on the right hand side. We just ask that you rinse your hands in the sink first. Just use one finger when touching them. Otherwise, go nuts. Have fun. Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Alright. Just one, yep.
Of course. It'll be $18, please.
Nice little area, nice little souvenir shop there, which I managed to get some stickers from this side of the island. I don't know why I didn't think of, not like I'm not going to be back there, but on the other side, when I go back to those cities, I'm going to look for gift shops and we'll get some stickers. I think we're up to 6 stickers on this trip already. But I'm getting pretty hungry here, so I'm gonna head back to the van and go find something to eat, or make something to eat, which is Smokies at the moment. All right, it's the next day. I know that yesterday we said that we were gonna go to Long Beach and check out that beach and check out a few other things on that other side of the island, but after lunchtime, man, that place just got crazy with people. But understandably so, it's Labor Day weekend, Friday, everyone's just getting off. What a better place to spend your weekend than in Ucluelet and Tofino. But for me, I decided that I was going to take steps to just protect my peace and not get frustrated. There was a walk I wanted to go on, but as I drove by it, there was clearly a sign that said no RVs, nothing longer than 20 feet. I'm 21 feet. Maybe I could have got away with it, but you get into these tight spaces with a big van like that, and it's just looking for trouble. I've already had 2 accidents on this trip. Luckily, no serious damage done to the van, but I just thought, you know what, we're going to stay out of there. And then, like I say, I went to Ucluelet, went to the aquarium, everything was great, and then people just started pouring in. Beautiful day, beautiful communities. It's understandable. But, like I said, I just took the opportunity to protect my peace and bail. So I actually drove back over to the other side of the island. I stopped in at a rest stop that has a tap, and I emptied my gray water. I filled up on wash water, fresh water. And then I drove down to a rest stop alongside of the bay and spent the night there. And it's on the Oceanside highway, or Oceanside route, I think they call it. And Friday night, beautiful night, I put the laptop up on the picnic table and actually watched a Blade movie from the past. That's a good one. And watched the sun, because the sun was setting on the other side of my laptop. So I'm kind of sitting there watching my movie, watching the sunset, barbecuing. And because it's Friday night and the weather's beautiful, everybody was out cruising in all these just unreal cars and motorcycles. And it was just like sitting there watching watching cruise night parade on by me all night long. So it was just a nice relaxing evening. And, you know, it was definitely, it had dawned on me that this was stuff that I could record for my channel. But sometimes when moments like that just present themselves to you, you just have to sit in the moment and enjoy your life and think about what's good and not record it for a YouTube channel to share with other people. Although I tell you, it was just an awesome evening.
And with that, we'll bring this episode to a close. Thanks for joining my little Ucluelet Harbour adventure, checking stuff out. It's kind of neat. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe, everyone.